As a church, regarding this matter, do you think, are we quiet or we are vocal enough on this issue of illegal foreigners?
The church is quiet. The pastors are quiet. And unfortunately, I'm on Facebook. Most pastors are saying South Africans are not xenophobic.
You see members that are coming to join your church. Some of them you find that maybe they are here in South Africa illegally.
Ubhlungu yazi ukubona ikholwa liphethe iphanga yilona elihamba phambili. Kizolo bephethe iBhayibheli elikhuluma ngothando. Namhlanje uHunta uphethe iphanga lapha. Hey babahambe. There is no love out of that.
Not South Africans are xenophobic.
You'll have a problem.
No, it's the truth. South Africans are xenophobic.
You'll have a problem. You see this problem.
Then we are xenophobic.
Also.
Sharp. If South Africans were not xenophobic, we would not be chasing these people away. This is what we would be doing.
As much we are saying let them go and go. Asicabangeni ukuthi nathi bafowethu kunabantu abathola isinkwa endlini because of umuntu osukela wathatha iflight wayisa kuphi eUK.
But I know someone who works in Home Affairs. No one should ask me who.
Umhlaba kaJehova. We like it or not. Umhlaba wakaJehova.